What is going on, Jada? My name is Aiden Resendiz, which you already know. Coming to you over at Audi Volkswagen Fall River today, showing you this gorgeous 2023 Audi A5 Sportback. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty, Jada, follow me around this beautiful Audi A5 Sportback here. A major upgrade from that 2015 Chevy Cruze. First thing you're gonna see, these gorgeous Audi 4 rings here. You won't get that on a Chevy, that's for sure. All chromed out here with the super aggressive front end. LED headlights, gonna be nice and bright at nighttime here. Beautiful body lines. Why don't you follow me around this way here? All the sensors on the vehicle. You got forward collision, autonomous braking, everything you could imagine safety wise. Now as we move along here, you're gonna see these gorgeous, beautiful Audi wheels sitting on all season Continental tires. Best of the best there. Gorgeous body lines flowing through this vehicle here. You got blind spot monitoring, you got keyless entry on all 4 doors. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to put premium in it, but that's the price you pay for Audi. Moving along the back here, you're gonna see this sunlight hit this Navarra blue, my absolute favorite Audi color, always has been. Should remind you of my old Audi A4 here, but this one's got nice power tailgate. Look at all the trunk space. We can fit so much corn in here. Unbelievable. I'm not even gonna believe. Privacy cover, summer mats, trunk liner protector, all LEDs inside, outside the vehicle. You'll notice the backup camera as the trunk shuts down here. Overhead camera view, nice, ties everything together here. Why don't we move along the back? Plenty of space in the rear of the vehicle. You got fully adjustable climate control. Seats fold down if we need to utilize a little bit of extra space. Should be able to sit a car seat back there. We'll figure it out, but we got the Tiguan worst case scenario, so I'm not too worried about that. Anyways, let me jump right in this driver's seat here so I can start showing you around the inside. Take a look at this beautiful interior here as I'm sitting inside the driver's seat of this vehicle. I'm super impressed. I can't wait to drive it home. Anyways, why don't I show you around here? First thing you're gonna notice is this beautiful leather wrap steering wheel. Heated steering wheel, gonna be an absolute game changer for these winter months. All automatic headlights with a poor weather lighting system. We have seat position memory for me and you, so you will never have to worry about jumping in and being too far back, and I won't have to worry about jumping in and slamming my knees on the steering wheel. Power folding mirrors, heated mirrors. Of course, you got the virtual cockpit, which is fully customizable, just like in the Tiguan, except this one's a little bit nicer. As we move along to the side here, you're gonna see some nice color breaking apart in terms of the actual interior itself. Got this nice sort of gray wood inlay here. Got the beige interior with the black kind of accent color there. Some chrome running through with some gloss black accents as well. Just really break things apart. Really, really nice overall, just kind of so you're not looking at one solid color through and through. This vehicle is equipped with the ventilated seat package, so on those hot summer days we will be able to turn on the air-conditioned couche along with the heated couche on the winter months like I have on right now. Fully adjustable climate control, of course. All 3 driver, passenger, and rear have their own fully adjustable climate control. One of my favorite features is this overhead camera view, which you can pull the front wide angle view if you're pulling into the intersection where you can't see oncoming traffic. Super useful. Also, make sure you use this when we're parallel parking here. Shows you your front and your rear wheels because we cannot curb these wheels. They are very expensive to replace. Aside from that, Apple CarPlay, all wireless. Navigation's not included in this specific version. We don't even need it. We got the Apple CarPlay, save us a couple grand. Anyways, Bang & Olufsen sound system, my favorite feature about this vehicle. That's what I'm super excited for. And just overall, just look at this gorgeous leather interior through and through. Nice colors, really breaks things apart, goes very well with the blue exterior. And I got a couple buttons up top as well. Frameless mirror, rear view mirror here, gives you the direction that we're going in. North is what we're in now. Some reading lights here as well. They are tap controlled, nice and easy. Then we got roadside assistance, emergency SOS, which is police, ambulance, fire department, and this really nice sunroof as well. So let me show you that. Alrighty, this is the vehicle. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this gave you a little bit more insight on what this vehicle is all about. I know you're on your way in now, so come on, get down here. Let's lock this in. We'll drive it home. It'll be nice and easy. Don't worry about it. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.